Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, November 30th, 2021. It is the last day of the month of November, and then we are in December, one step closer to Christmas. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Please make sure you post your attendance by 9 a.m. Also, copies. Be mindful of your copier usage and use Print Shop as you plan in advance. Also, the book basket. Miss Smith has replaced the Thanksgiving books with Christmas books in the quick pick basket in the lounge. Feel free to browse. Write your name on the Post-it and put it in her box. When you are finished with the book, please return the book to the library. Don't put it back in the basket. Make sure you return it to the library so it gets checked back in from you. Late duty today is Miss Duberg, tomorrow Miss Curd, then we have Miss Hamlin and Miss Lankford. Great, exciting news here. You raised $1,300 for St. Jude's Research Hospital. Way to go. That is awesome. I do not yet have the information on which grade level raised the most, but that is a huge pile of money that we are going to get to send to St. Jude's to help those children who are very sick. So, awesome job, Shepherd Scholars, extending our kindness day and trying to do great things for other people. I love it. One more thing to be kind and generous is it's the Stuff the Bus time. We are having the annual toy drive, so you can bring a new unwrapped toy to the school before December 8th. If you contribute a toy to the drive, you will get to wear your favorite Christmas shirt and jeans on December 10th, which is a Friday. So you'll bring them to the media center and give them to Miss Smith. She already has a few underneath the tree, and it's so cool to get to see all those presents piled up around our Christmas tree to go to little boys and girls that really would like to have a Christmas present. So bring those toys so we can stuff that bus. The word of the day is rhombus. A rhombus is a quadrilateral with all four sides equal in length. It looks a lot like a square sometimes, but it does not have to have right angles. A rhombus has four sides all equal length, but does not have to have right angles like a square does. Also, important dates. November 29th, we began our reading and math diagnostics that'll be taking place this week. Friday, December 3rd, is the deadline for the reading diagnostic. So make sure that your classes are taking the reading diagnostic after you have had the conversation with them, as Ms. Linscomb instructed in our email. Make sure that you have that conversation before you take your diagnostics. December 8th is the deadline for the toy drive, 8:30 a.m. December 9th is the spelling bee. December 10th, the toy drive participants can wear a Christmas shirt and jeans. Also, it's door decoration judging day. And December 17th is the deadline for partnership conferences. Our AR superstars in art, we have DeMarco Holt in Bertolino, Kristen Brown, Eric Yulin, and Marion Williams. In Curd, Tanaya Utley. In Duberg, Elvis Ramos. In Granger, Zach Bolton. And in Hamlin, Lucas Holbrook and Tatiana Parker. Also, in Miss Heichman's class, we have Thomas Pugh. In Hogan, Aaliyah Fields. In Moore, Libby Jones. In Peralta, Jackson Hester. In Miss Shaver's class, Jacob Robinson. Miss Smith will come around with a cart after announcements. Students, remember you must test on your books you check out from the library before you return them. So make sure you read them really good, take a test, and bring them back. Way to go to all those AR superstars who have met their quarterly goal. That is all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.